Hi again. This time we're going to be looking at a function that is composed of two functions, the one divided by the other, and we'll see just how we can take the derivative of that and the special rule behind it. So here we go. This is what we mean by one function composed of f of x divided by g of x. Okay. Similar in the way we treat it to when we have a product, but there's a couple little differences. So let's just take a look at those then. And as usual, I'll color code these so that we can keep track of where we're going. So when we have a situation that we have a function, a y equals, and then we have something that we could consider a function on top divided by something on the bottom, then we just follow this rule. And like the other rule, I'm not going to show you how the rule came into existence through the definition, but rather just once we have the rule, how do we use it practically? So let's take a closer look at this now. We have the red f of x, the blue g of x, and when we follow the rule, we will take the derivative of f of x and put the f prime there. And then we'll multiply it by the original g of x. Then we will take away the original f of x times the derivative of g of x, and that would be there. And then you divide it by the original g of x squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a function and see if we can get through this without causing too many headaches. All right, what is our f of x in this case? Our f of x is a simple linear function. And our g of x is this one, a simple little second degree function. For the example, I didn't take anything difficult. I just wanted to be able to have you see the way it works. And then the difficulty comes in taking more difficult functions later on. But that's how it works. So let's go. All right, when we have the linear function on top and the second degree on the bottom, you just follow the recipe. So the first place, that's here, okay. Why is it 5? Because the derivative of 5x minus 2 is just 5, okay. And now we have the original g of x, okay. And the original, of course, was this blue one there, all right. It's going to get messy quick, so let me take some of these away now. All right, so far so good. Let's take the next one. The formula says we got to take away this and this. My color coding got a little messed up. Sorry about that. The original f of x is this. And then the g prime is this. And why is that? Because what is the derivative of x squared plus 1? 2x, okay? That's this one, the g prime, okay? That's just the original. Let me clean up a little bit again. All right, it really is kind of straightforward. So now that we have that, let's take a look at the next step here. I've cleaned it up. We needed to straighten out some things. So we multiplied in using the normal way of doing things, and this was kind of multiplied in that way. Then you got to keep track of this and how it affects all the others. Usually when a mistake is made, it's made on a beginning math level, just not being careful when keeping track of plus and minus. So I will leave it to you guys to come to the conclusion that this is actually a simplification of that and that it is proper. Okay, hope that helps. See you next time.